Hey guys, it's Dr. Tim Harrigan. I wanted to give you an update on our red light beta program that we did. So we were having people do blood work initially, and then we had them go through a protocol utilizing chemical photobiomodulation with these personal red light devices. Basically, it's nano blue, a methylene blue, and some sprays that get absorbed immediately into the body. And as you guys know, every 45 seconds, our blood literally cycles through 100%. Every 45 seconds, a red blood cell goes literally throughout my whole body to my heart and otherwise. It was an experiment to basically see the cool research that's been done with red light therapy, over 3,000 studies, and methylene blue with some other vitamins and some sprays that get absorbed initially through the buccal mucosa, and then they literally get absorbed directly into your bloodstream with some nitric oxide producers. We were curious if this affects our blood, if we can actually measure something in the blood that's changed by a therapy like this. Well, hands down, without any doubt now, we know that it absolutely affects our blood and blood measurements that we did. So we've had a few people get their post blood work from this program. So we had them do the pre-blood work, and then they did the program for 60 days, basically where they wore this twice a day with some of the sprays and the methylene blue. Then we rechecked their blood 60 days later. Well, virtually all of the blood markers, red blood cells, platelets, white blood cells, things like that, improved in that 60-day time period. Now keep in mind, we're not treating something. We're always looking for biohacks though, and different techniques that are the least invasive, most effective ways to improve my health. So this was one that we knew is really good for us. The red light the research is profound. Pretty happy with it. It was pretty incredible. I did see my own Epstein-Barr virus numbers go down. Again, we're not treating something, you guys. You know, I didn't really have high numbers. However, we all have Epstein-Barr in our body typically that you can measure if you do the right test. You know, and basically my numbers have never been as low as they are after using this. I've done it for about 90 days. I will do this forever now, at least once a day. I won't do it the twice a day probably anymore, but it's been pretty profound. So let us know if you want to take part in the beta testing. We still have a few spots open if you want to see if this is something that would be good for you as well. Thank you.